Hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Kamila Stopniowska. I'm working with NumFOCUS. I'm a project DEI coordinator, and basically I will be helping to guide you today through this Impact Scholarship Program. So we have this opening session right now going, just started. I hope to share with you some information, which I hope that will be helpful for you for the program, as well as we'll have some time for Q&A. So still people are coming. So let's give them a little bit of a time. I really hope that you will join us for a networking session, which will be later today. And we also have two very exciting talks about open source projects, like one in 1 hour and then one later just before networking session. Yeah, great having you here, and excited to start the program. Great. So once again, great having you here, and please be welcome on Impact Scholarship Program by PyData Global, which we are starting just right now. And the program is hosted during 4 next days. So we are starting today, and the final day is on Saturday. We are worldwide, so basically you can meet people from all over the world, people who are excited about data science, people who are excited about open source. And all this program is about knowledge, it's about the network, and it's about the inspiration. So those are three very important things which I really hope that you will experience yourself. You will gain new knowledge. You will have a networking options and opportunities, and you get inspired by this program. So I really hope that you can experience that from the mentors. You can experience that from the speakers, training like trainers as well. But also you can experience it from one another. So I hope that you will have this amazing inspiration here. And the whole program is about data science and AI. It's also about open source. So it's like we are combining these two words. I see there is some question. Okay, that's our AI assistant. So we are speaking about AI, and AI is helping us as well. So this session is recorded as you can see. So basically, it's the program is about data science, it's about AI, it's about open source. So you can experience knowledge, inspiration from this angles, and the whole program is about you. So we prepare it together with program committee to help you to get better knowledge about AI, about data science, also how to make your first steps or more advanced steps as well in open source. So it's about your career, it's about your choices in career, it's about contribution to open source. So it's about you, basically. I really hope that this program will be something which can help you in your career or in your contribution to open source. As all the events which are hosted by NumFOCUS, this event is also it's also with the code of conduct. The code of conduct of NumFOCUS, which you can see on this website, you can find on this website, and the code of conduct covers all talks or workshops and all mentoring session, and also anything which is under this Slack for the event. If anything will happen which you feel not comfortable with, and you suspect that might be a violation of code of conduct, please don't hesitate to send us information on this email address. contact@numfocus.org, or you also can fill the form on this link on PyData.org code of conduct. So you have information about that in your email. You also have information on the website, and yeah, we definitely want you to feel comfortable. We want everyone to be kind and great to each other during the event. In terms of the agenda, so yeah, in terms of code of conduct, yeah, I really appreciate just being kind one to another, and getting into the details of the event. You have the agenda for the event, which I shared with you on email. You also have this information plugged on the Slack, and you also have this information on the Google Doc with the main information for participants. So basically, in all these 3 places, you should be able to see the agenda. Also, you have invitation for some, not all, but at this point for some talks and sessions in your email, like an invitation for the event. And basically, you should be able to find this agenda. If you, for some reason, have a problem to find the agenda, please send me information on Slack, or just ask on the general channel. But this information is pinged to the general channel, like this general event channel, this PyData impact all channel as well. So basically, today we have 2 talks and 2 sessions. And on Thursday, we'll be hosting workshops and a session as well. Friday, those are 2 sessions, and most of the things will be happening during Saturday. Saturday is the biggest day for us. Also, Saturday is the only day which is not overlapping with PyData global main event. So you will be able to attend only in this Impact Scholarship Program, if you wish for. And I totally encourage you to take this opportunity to attend in networking session, which will be today at 8 p.m. UTC 0, and also Birds of Feather. It's amazing opportunity for you to talk. I see that there is a hand. Yes?
Actually, I got confused about Birds of a Feather. This session is regarding what? Because networking, I got to know, like this networking session. Like the Saturday session is regarding what? I mean, Birds of a Feather.
Yes, so Birds of Feather, it's type of event which is used in open source communities all over the world, and that this type of the event, it's about it's basically on the beginning of the session, we will decide as a group. So basically, you will decide, and I will just moderate it. What kind of topics do you want to speak about? And then when we together decide about the topics, then we create breakout rooms, and you will be able to discuss these topics in this breakout room. So sometimes in Birds of Feather, you can submit topics before. In this one, you please have your topic which you would like to discuss yeah, before the event, but basically you will be submitting that during the event, and then I will create this breakout rooms, and you will be able to discuss. What kind of topics can you discuss? Oh, basically, those are topics connected with AI, open source, also connected with data science, your career, anything which is okay with code of conduct, you can discuss. If we will have fans of Star Wars, let's say, or Star Trek, and you would like to discuss that, that's also okay. So basically, it depends on the group. It's very open format. It's something similar to unconference, but in the smaller scale, because it's only 2 hours. Does it answer your question?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you for the question. Yes, please ask. Definitely, please raise your hand. I see something on the chat. Yeah, it's informal. Kalyan, exactly. It's informal version of panel discussion. Definitely true. And yeah, so you will have these two different options for basically for discussion, for knowing one another, which I really hope that you will take advantage from. And mentoring sessions, something which I know that many of you are looking for. We at this point, we definitely can secure 30 minutes of mentoring session for each of you. If we'll have more slots, then I will make sure that that you will know that, and basically yeah, I will announce that you can use more than one mentoring session. So you will get this information on Slack and via email. But at this point, please, if you didn't secure your session yet, please do that. There is this procedure how to do that, and basically, first of all, you are going to this document when you are choosing your mentor and the mentoring session time. Still, sometimes are not listed there for some mentors. Sorry about that. It's just basically some mentors didn't do that yet. They are very busy. It's something which really hope that will be done soon. And basically, first of all, you are in the spreadsheet. You are securing your session, and then when the time of your session is there, you make sure that you are already registered for PyData Global Air space. The space is open now. It was open today, 3 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So it's definitely open now and will be open till the end of Saturday. And in there, when you will register and you can enter the launch, in the launch you can find the table with the name of your mentor. And at the time of your session, you are basically approaching, you are entering this PyData Global Airmeet platform, and you are going to launch. There is this picture of where the launch is, and then you will see the tables with mentors. Where you can use where could we access the spreadsheet? Yes, that's an excellent question. So basically the same as with agenda, you have this information on your email, you have this information on the Slack, on the PyData Impact 2023 all Slack channel, and you also have this information in Google Doc, PyData Impact 2023 information for participants. So basically, please take a look at your email box. Definitely, you will have an email from me with this document. Also, if that will be more handy, please go to this Slack channel, and this instruction together with the agenda is just pinned for the channel. So basically, that should be hopefully an easy access to you. Will you get a confirmation for the session? Like no, actually, you will not get the confirmation of the session. We really believe in that we are like responsible people here. So basically, the mentor should be like the only information which you will get will be in the spreadsheet. So when you will type your when you will type your name, securing the slot, and that's the only information which you will provide, and that's only information for the mentor. Please do not remove others people's slots, and now you will not get unfortunately you will not get any confirmation of that. You also always can try to reach your mentor through Slack. So that's why we have this Slack channel. You also can send them a direct message. Okay, so this mentoring sessions, I will be on the Slack as well. If you still will have some issue with mentoring sessions, please send me a direct message and we will proceed from there. Yeah, Slack channel. Basically, this PyData Impact 2023 all Slack channel is the place for you to get to know other participants, to get to know mentors. So please feel free, and that's totally okay with the program, if you will share your LinkedIn, if you will share your GitHub, if you will share information about the projects which you are doing. Please do not share any like advertisement for maybe not job offers, especially if you have some job offer which you would like to share. Please send that to me, and if we'll have more this job offer, we can definitely send some general communication around that. But if you have something which is yours, your project, open source project, your project which is not open source but you are very proud of, please share that on the channel. It's something for you to get to know other participants, other mentors, and basically to also discuss things connected with data science, AI, and open source. But also discuss fun stuff. If you would like to discuss something about your about anything which you are really really into, if you have some hobby which you would like to share, as long as it's okay with code of conduct, that's perfectly fine. That's something which also can help you to meet other people and can help with the communication. So please use Slack channel. Networking session. We'll have this networking session today, 8 p.m. UTC 0. And during the networking session, we'll have 1 hour basically to get to know each other. And I will ask you 2 questions. That's something which I'm giving you hands up about that. I will ask you about your story with data science / AI. And your story with open source. And during the networking session, we will have first of all we'll have time together in that room, and then basically for this discussion, and then basically after some short discussion, I will prepare breakout rooms, and in this scenario, you will be able to join one breakout room, then you can just jump into another, and hopefully you will be able to speak with more people during this networking session. The reason for the breakout rooms is like I want you to have a time basically to speak with one another, and usually this kind of conversation are okay with groups of 5 up to 7 people. So I definitely would like to make you this opportunity. And also one thing which is not listed here, but that's something which might be really handy for you. Besides the mentoring sessions, when you will enter the RMeet, PyData Global RMeet, this one which is all the communication, you also can schedule one-to-one meetings with people. So it's not listed there. That's just a possibility which RMeet has. and basically you definitely can do that. Feel free to do that. It's something different than mentoring session, but it's also an option for you, which you can unlock by entering the PyData Global Hermit. Okay, so that's all from my side. It's 8:20 a.m. in San Francisco. We still have a lot of time, so that's time for you for questions, and I hope that I will be able to answer.
Thanks, dear. May I ask you a question, please? Thank you very much for your presentation.
Of course, yes, please.
So, dear Camilla, I would like to ask you this question. When we want to start the mentoring session with our mentor, we just enter Hermit, the launch section, and open the and join the room of our mentor.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you very much.
Of course.
And regarding to the workshops, as I'm aware, tutorials and workshops are totally different. And during the workshops, can we also require any recordings regarding the workshops afterwards? If we didn't manage to join, can we have a recording?
Yes, thank you for this question. And definitely recordings of all talks and workshops will be available. There might be situation like last minute situation when mentor or our trainer would not agree for the for recording. That might happen. It's very unlikely. So in any other situation, you will have this recording available after the event. So yes, with Impact Scholarship Program, you will have this available hopefully next week, but I could not promise that in this point. In terms of PyData Global, which I hope that you also take part in, which is a very great event, you will have access to the recording just after the recorded was taken. So you can basically tap on the recording just after the session. But basically, yes, you will have an access to recording for both workshops and for talks as well.
Thank you very much for your thorough answer. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ari. Thank you for the question. Okay, we have something on the chat. Yes, exactly. You can reach the mentor. You will not get a confirmation for your mentoring session, but you can reach the mentor. That's definitely true. Can you share the spreadsheet here? Yes, we definitely can do that. The spreadsheet for mentoring session, I believe. Okay. So the mentoring session. So I just, as you can see, I just shared the spreadsheet for the mentoring session. Yes, please use only spaces which are marked by your name and surname, which are empty, basically. So where there is no someone else name and surname.
Hey, Camilla, I'm still confused with one question here. So just want to understand, let's say if one of the mentee has blocked interested in taking a mentorship with me. So I think they put in their name in the time slot, what was the time slot which I've given, right? So after that, how do I get the notification? So will it be someone who will be sending an email notification, either a mentee or someone from the team will send it, or how does it work? This is something I'm confused.
So I'm not sure if I got your question right, but I will try to answer. So basically, when someone will type the name and surname in your slot, then that information will be in the spreadsheet, and that's the only information which we are getting. So you are not getting any email, you are not getting any calendar invitation. Sorry, the only information is in the spreadsheet. So just please take a look at the spreadsheet. We don't have that automatized anyhow. If that was your question, or did I misunderstood that?
Okay, so once the details are in the spreadsheet, so I'll be looking into the spreadsheet, but how does this meeting mentoring happen? So the mentee was supposed to schedule a meeting with me.
The scheduling a meeting is just by typing the mentee name and surname next to the next to the column of the person. Maybe I will share this on the screen right now. That will be easier. Okay, so you should see my screen with the spreadsheet. And great. So for example, in here, we have Andrea, Leah, and basically there is some individual who secured the mentoring session, booked the mentoring session for December 9th, 11 a.m. 8 in this time zone. So basically that's the information that at this time on December 9th, 11 a.m. UTC 8, this individual and Andrea should meet in the Air Meet on PyData Global Lounge, next to the table with the name Andrea Leah.
All right, got it.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. If still something will be not clear, you always can send me direct message, and I will be happy to answer.
Sure.
Okay. Is there anything else which is there anything else which you would like to ask, discuss, or maybe share with other participants, other like mentors, and me as well? If you will not have any other questions, thank you, Jonathan. If you will not have any other questions, definitely please remember about this networking session which we are having today. Please be active on Slack. We have wonderful 4 days ahead of us. I really hope that you will enjoy talks, workshops, and you will meet great people, and you can learn things which will be helpful for you, for your career, for your also for your basically contribution to open source. And and if you will have any if you will have any question, please send me a Slack message, or you also can send me an email. You definitely have my email. And I'm just seeing what's going on in the chat.
Thank you, Camila. Actually, I have a question about like, so as a speaker, I saw there's Zoom link. So we are not doing Air Meet, right? For the PyData Global Impact.
Yes, that's correct. So basically, from some logistical reasons, for speakers, for talks and for the workshops, we are doing Zoom. So it will be the same setup as we have right now, and we are doing Zoom. You can enter the room 15 minutes before each session. Mets, I'm very excited about your contribution, and basically you will provide that on the Zoom.
Okay, so like it's gonna be 15 minutes before. I'm gonna just join the Zoom, and that's it.
Yeah, and that's it. That's that is the easiest possible scenario. Yeah, like 15 minutes before we will check your sharing your screen. We'll check the audio, things like that. Also, at this time, other participants also can be in the room. There is no green room. There is no preparation room. It will be open. But we'll be able to check the most crucial things.
Sounds great.
Perfect. Looking forward. There is also a question about the Slack link. I will generate that right now because just to make it easier. Okay, so you should have an access to Slack via email. You should have the invitation in the email. There was some. Have you? Thank you, Jonathan. See you later. So I just sent you the link for the Slack channel. There is a question for Bardil. Do mentors need to register to have tickets? So basically, please for your mentoring session, please register on Airmeet, and the same as mentors are registering the same way as mentees. And basically, this registration, which the information how to register with the procedure is listed in this document, which is pinned to the channel, and also which I send you via email. You can register for the Airmeet, PyData Global Airmeet, and that will give you an access to the lounge. And in the lounge, there is a table with your name and surname, and that's the way how you access that. So, do you need to have a ticket? Yes, you have a special you and all mentors and all participants have a special type of tickets. You don't need to go through like a regular one. The link to the registration is in the document, which is also the same document which you have here in this conversation, which I sent here as a mentoring session registration. That's also this document will guide you also how to register for the platform. Does it answer your question?
No, sorry, I cannot find that information. There's just too many links to too many documents, but none of them mention Airmeet.
Okay,
and I'm really struggling to find the right pin.
Okay, so I will share my screen and I okay, so you should see my screen. There is this PyData impact. There is one pin, and there is this mentoring session registration. Oh, and you can go here. That's basically this link for the registration. And there is this the ticket which will help you to get into the into the launch of Ermit. So you can find that on the PyData Impact 2023 all channel. It's pinned here. And there is this point number 3, which is registration. And basically, I will resend this document. Oh, this one. I will resend this document once again on the chat here.
Can you make it anyone with the link will be commenter, because we don't want to see any changes on this document, right? That would be better.
Yes, that's very true. Okay, I will do that right after. Okay, so yeah, that's very true. I will do that after. So Bartil, does it help? Like, could you find the registration link right now?
Yeah, sorry, I was fighting with Slack, trying to get access to the list of channels. Yeah, no, I got it.
Okay, yeah. So definitely the easiest way is like you have the link in the chat right now here in this Zoom call, and then you have the point number 3, which is registration. Okay. Any other questions? Any other issues? Any problems with Slack, which we have seen before as well? But we definitely can manage that. Next year, I really hope that we will use different platform. Sorry for all this issues with the Slack. Yeah, thank you, Ariel. Okay, you know where to find me, and I really hope that you will have a great time. Are there any other questions or comments or something which you would like to share? Exactly. Don't forget to have fun. Definitely, I hope that you will have some fun with enjoying the sessions, enjoying the talks, and enjoying the workshops. Yeah.